This CAMSTRO 4K wireless security camera kit delivers very sharp video, making it easy to zoom in on details like faces, license plates, and packages during the day or at night with its color night view. The motorized pan and tilt design gives a full sweeping view around the home, so you can check driveways, yards, and entryways without obvious blind spots from a single mounting point. Its solar power setup means once the panels are positioned for a few hours of daily sunlight, the cameras can run continuously without worrying about wiring or battery swaps. The included Home Hub stores recordings locally on a generous built-in memory card, so you avoid ongoing cloud fees while keeping footage under your direct control. Intelligent detection that can distinguish between people, vehicles, and pets helps cut down on nuisance alerts and makes the notifications you do receive far more useful. Rugged weather sealing and an outdoor-focused build let these cameras stay online through rain, wind, and snow, which makes them a dependable choice for year-round perimeter coverage.